a life sentence should mean what it says, a life sentence. They should only come out in a box. Catch and release approach is the Liberals' failure to respond to the Supreme Court's decision in the Alexandre Bissonnette case, a man who carried out a vile murder of 6 innocent people, a premeditated attack on peaceful worshippers, gunning them down, execution style. Now, the trial judge in the Bissonnette's case decided that he should not be eligible for parole for at least 40 years. Now, I think that's too little. But later on, the Supreme Court thought that sentence was too severe. Let's be clear. The earlier sentence would have allowed Bissonnette to be free after 60 years, and at the age of 60, after 40 years. But the Supreme Court thought that was too harsh. So he kills 6 people, and the Supreme Court thought it was too harsh to have him stay in prison until he's age 60. So they struck down the law. Now, Bissonnette will be eligible for release after just 25 years. That works out to 4 years of jail time for every murder he committed. Think about that for a second. What happened to the principle of proportionality? You get 4 years behind bars for taking the life of another human being? This is insane. And it has to stop. Following the Supreme Court's decision, he will be eligible for parole potentially after 25 years. Again, 3 RCMP officers dead, their families destroyed, and he will effectively serve 7.5 years for each murder he committed. That means he could walk free on his 50th birthday after taking 3 lives and injuring others. I am announcing today a Conservative government will reintroduce and pass the law that empowered judges to impose consecutive sentences for killers convicted of multiple murders.